So Facebook ads have been like really pissing me and Lee off all week, and we want to get as far away from using paid meta as we humanly can because I'm tired of putting money into the corporate hands that is Facebook. So we've been kind of working through some campaign ideas and things that are going to really help people in our community, as well as hopefully get us away of the wrath of Facebook. So I'm going to drop the two things that we've been working through today. We actually literally had to remove ourselves from the salon. We went to the library for just like a fresh brain space. But we were looking at some of the best things that we've done over the past, year or two. And I realized I haven't done any of this in a while just because we've been so busy. But we used to run a lot of pay it forward campaigns here where we would actually bring people in from the community and we would offer free services. So we are going to be bringing that back. And right now you're actually going to get to work with me directly, which is something that really didn't happen before. And then come September when Lee is in school, she'll be helping out with that as well. So our capacity is basically doubling inside of the salon, which is super, super exciting. The other thing that we have been working through is an affiliate program. So we're actually looking to be able to pay you guys physical cash for sending us referrals. So if you are interested in becoming a Balanced Hair affiliate, what that basically means is you will be able to earn cash commissions for sending referrals to us or sending people to our website. Like physical money, not gift cards, not points, like physical money. If I'm going to pay for Facebook ads, I'd rather put the money literally back into your hands. Natalie's on vacation. I'm going to tag her on this one. And I'm sure she's going to be like, what the fuck, Mel, when she comes back. But Lee, because she's so technically inclined and she has figured out a whole way to do this on our website. So two things to do. If you want to be considered for the Pay It Forward campaigns, I want you to comment PIF below. We'll send you the link where you can fill out an intake form. And essentially what's going to happen with that is you'll keep it on your email. And when we have last minute offerings that did not fill, you will basically get an email that allows you to book in for free to take these slots. With the Pay It Forward campaign, what we would need from you in order to offer you a completely free service is for you to let us film the appointment for social media. We can totally blur out your face. Anything that is like private and confidential, we can totally blur out. We'll have you sign an intake form and we'll have you leave us a Google review. The appointment spaces will go fast, so you'll have to keep an eye out for the codes, which means you will have to double opt in with your email to make sure that it doesn't end up in your spam. And then for the affiliate program stuff, if you comment AFF, you will get a link that goes directly to our website where you can sign up to be notified first when the program goes live. I'm thinking realistically it's going to be 3 to 4 weeks before we fully roll it out. I definitely need to run the logisticals financially behind Natalie. Again, she's on vacation, so she's going to come back and love this one. But I think that this is so much better because I would rather put money and community right back where it comes from. So it becomes this like full circle ecosystem where our clients pay us and then we pay them. I think it's a much better way of doing marketing, of being able to offer community support for the people in our community. And these campaigns are for female identified people. I don't care who you are, if you identify as a female, if you are a mom, that is just burnt out, if you are a corporate woman, if you are somebody that identifies as female, whatever the jazz. So AFF, if you want the information on the affiliate stuff that will be coming, and PIF for the Pay It Forward opt-in.